traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, so far my analysis hasn't changed. I do honestly have a bearish analysis, which would be this is an A, B, and then it goes down for a C before it goes up. But for now, I'm definitely still sticking to the fact that I think that it's going to keep on going up for either that expanding flat or running flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave 1. I still think this looks like a big expanding flat wave 2. And I still think we're in a wave 3. And if we are still in a wave 3, then it needs to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. If it doesn't continue on this weekly time frame to make higher highs, higher lows, it will invalidate the wave 3. And it could even end up being an A, B, C, or B and going down like that. But for now, there's definitely no reason to think that that is what's going to happen, and I'm definitely still sticking to my wave 3 analysis. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a real nice ABC correction last week, and the trend is up on all higher time frames. We cannot deny that the trend is up. We had a big dump yesterday on the euro, but it just took out these highs, and this is a really big important swing on the higher time frames also, so it's not really uncommon to see some big pullbacks like that in the middle of trends. Even on the daily time frame, there's no break of structure, there's no lower high, there's no reason to think that the trend is not still up. Going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, like I said, big dump down yesterday, but even on the 4-hour time frame, there's no break of structure, no significant lower high. And if you watched my PM video last night, you'll know that I kind of think it looks kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4 type pattern, which let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. It's a little clearer. So if you go down to the 1 hour time frame and you zoom out a little bit, to me it kind of looks like impulsive down wave A. It kind of looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. I honestly would not be surprised if that big dump that we had yesterday was a wave C. And if it's a running flat, then it would make a higher low, and just continue the uptrend. We are pushing up right now, and it very, very easily could just keep going up because every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. So I often tell my members don't get distracted by the intraday moves, which means don't let these 1 hour time frame moves affect your higher time frame analysis. And this is a really good example of why I say that, because that is a really big move down on the 1 hour time frame, but literally every single higher time frame has not been affected by it. There's no break of structure, there's no lower high. The trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames for now. So definitely keep an eye out just in case it does reverse back up. We should definitely still be looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.